How to change home screen on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your home screen on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it particularly depends upon what you are talking about, because if you're talking about, let's say you want to change your home screen wallpaper, it's simple to do that. If you want to change the home screen icons, you can just go ahead and select that. If you want to add, let's say, a widget, you can long press on it and then tap the plus icon to add a widget. Now in case you're talking about wallpaper, what you need to do for that is simply swipe down from your control panel, or sorry, control center, and then long press on it and then just tap the plus icon from here. And now just go ahead and select a wallpaper that you would like to set it for your home screen, which could be a separate wallpaper if you want. So tap the photos option here and then just go ahead and select a particular wallpaper that you might want for your wallpaper or your home screen, and then it will get successfully changed. But it really depends upon what you're talking about. If I didn't get you, then you might actually want to comment down below as well. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.